Today, GD matter is boys and girls, which is the best.
What do you think? Girls are better or boys?
I think boys are better than girls
How can you say that?
because boys are more determined than girls
How can you say that if boys are more determined than girls?
because they make their goals and achieve them.
Also, girls are more disciplined and mannered than boys.
No, you are saying wrong. I see many times that girls go to school and they are passing time.
No, I see that more of the boys bully over the students and bunk the classes.
No more boys. A little bit of boys bully over, but all the boys are good and disciplined.
No, mostly boys are bully over the students and disturb the students who are studying.
Girls don't respect their teachers and don't obey their parents.
No, they obey their parents, but boys don't obey their parents. They are they are walking over the street or roads and
No, they are
gangsters.
not walking either and thither, but girls are walking all the times either and thither.
No, girls mostly go to coaching and return to home directly, but boys go to in a
No,
street and
this is not right. Girls go to coaching and they go anywhere from coaching, but they don't go to straight to the home.
no, they return directly to the home
How
because
can you say that?
all of my friends and
You
me.
are saying about their friends, but not of the girls. I see many of the girls, they go to coaching and they go
They,
anywhere,
but
but not
but
go to
but
home.
they tell to their parents that I am going to idhar or thither, and then they see goes.
But they
But
not taking the permission of parents for going anywhere.
they take permissions, but boys don't obey their parents and don't ask their parents to go outside.
No, every boy take the permission of their parents, then they go anywhere.
No, they take permission. I have seen in many houses.
Do you know boys are much intelligent than girls
How can you say that?
because you can see that 10th topper, he's a boy.
Yes, I can see that 10th topper is a boy, but you can see that in the Hindi medium 12th topper is a girl.
In the English medium schools, boys go daily and they obey their teachers.
No, they obey their teachers, and mostly girls are better than boys, and they study more than boys.
No, how can you say that in all the banners boys are toppers, not the girls?
No, you can count. Mostly girls are topper.
Boys think all of their families, but girls don't think about their families.
They think about their families. They are with their families and help them when they are in a problem.
No, they don't help their family and their friends when they are in a problem.
No, you are absolutely wrong.
How can you say that I am absolutely wrong?
That mostly boys are aggressive and
No boys is aggressive. They have calm and cool mind.
no, you are saying wrong
How can you say that I am saying wrong?
because mostly boys angry on their parents
How,
and
no
scold on
no boy
their
no boy
parents.
no boy angry on their parents. They obey their parents and respect them.
You are talking about some boys, not all
No,
boys.
I am telling about all boys.
No, you are wrong because I have seen that many of boys don't obey their parents and scold on their parents. Parents are not happy with their boys,
How can you say
with
that
their child.
every parents happy with their boys?
No,
Do you know parents make celebration when the boy born in their homes, but not make
you are talking
celebrations.
about old generation. Now
No,
generation,
no,
everyone
I'm
want
not.
girl
I'm not talking about all old generation. I am talking about new generation. All of the parents making celebration when the
because in India there is a rule everyone is equal. Also the girl and also the boy.
no,
So you
no,
can't say that boys are more than girls.
but girls are not disciplined.
No, they are disciplined and well mannered, and boys are not mannered.
How can you say that boys have more manners than girls?
So mostly boys don't take permission of their parents to do anything.
But they
They go to outside and do anything what they want.
do
But
you know do you know boys do more hard work. Boys are more hardworking than girls.
no, girls are more hardworking than boys because in many fields I have seen that girls
No,
are girls.
don't take fields. You can see they run their families and run their homes.
In India, many of girls are running their home, not only
But
boys, because
but they have to.
both are hardworking for their children and
But
their family.
but when the girls get married, then boys have to run their homes.
No, because nowadays every girl have to work and every girl is working.
Thanks for listening us carefully.